sir. The decrypted adjutant is back in the lab and ready to go.
Well, old girl, we dug you up on Tarsonis. Were you online during the Zerg attack? Do you remember anything about Arcturus Menks being involved?
Menks, Arcturus, ex-Confederate officer, civilian prospector, founder and leader of the Sons of Korham terrorist group. Status, criminal. Accessing intercepted transmission 0081 to 0086 Alpha.
This is Duke. The emitters are secured and online.
Who authorized the use of psi emitters?
I did, Lieutenant.
What? The Confederates on Antigua were bad enough, but now you're gonna use the Zerg against an entire planet? This is insane!
She's right, man. Think this through.
I have thought it through. Believe me. You all have your orders. Carry them out. I will not be stopped. Not by you, or the Confederates, or the Protoss, or anyone. I will rule this sector, or see it burn to ashes around me.
Holy... I can't believe it! We can nail Menks to the wall with this.
Those goofy mercs are still using vultures, can you believe it? Damn things are death traps, even when you ain't got people shooting at you.
Careful now, Swan. My old vulture saved my skin more times than I care to remember. I ain't gonna listen to you trash talk a classic piece of engineering like that.
Classic? I suppose you can call them that. Of course, most folks like a bike that don't explode on them when the repeller seals freeze up, or the fuel cells start leaking radioactive waste. But hey, who cares if it's a classic, right?
No one likes a smart-ass, Swan.
Emperor, much has been written in regards to the tragic fall of Tarsonis. Toloski's investigative documentary, Imperial Dawn, even claims that you brought down the Confederate system by assuring Tarsonis' fall.
I've heard these conspiracy theories before, but the fact remains. The Zerg invaded Tarsonis en masse, and no force in the universe could have stopped their onslaught. It was a very terrible day.
Toloski's film highlights the seeming convenience of the aliens annihilating a corrupt government that you yourself spent a lifetime trying to overthrow.
Millions died that day, and you speak to me of convenience? Yes, I strove against the evils of the old Confederacy, but never with the object of personal gain. When I was called upon to take up the heavy burden of leadership, I did so only to ensure our continuing survival as a species.
Striking words from the Emperor himself. Up next, Zerglings allergic to lemon juice? Old wives' tale? Or new super weapon in the fight for humanity?
I gotta know. Just what was it went down between you and Minsk? Seems you boys were tight once.
I used to think Minx be a force for change. I fought alongside him right up until Tarsonis. That's where he crossed the line, by using Zerg to murder the whole planet. He left Kerrigan there to die because she called him out on it. Turned out he was just as rotten as the Confederacy ever was.
Damn. You sure know how to pick your friends, Jimmy. Seems your Queen of Blades figured out who's been paying us to snatch up all them artifacts. Moebius' head honcho, Dr. Narud, claims the Zerg are attacking his main research campus on Tirador. He can't evacuate his people until all their artifact research is safe.
Commander Rayner, thanks to stars you've come. You had a sterling reputation as a marshal many years ago, and I know you'll do your best to help us.
Yeah, well, that was all a long time ago, Doctor. Looks like you've got one heck of a Zerg problem here. Where do you need us?
We're ready to evacuate, but none of the teams I sent to purge the Foundation data cores have reported back. I need you to destroy those cores before the Queen of Blades finds them and discovers the coordinates of the remaining artifacts. The fate of the entire sector could hang in the balance.
Class 12 psi pattern detected. Recommend extreme caution.
Kerrigan. All right then, Doc. Our timetable's shorter than we thought. We gotta move.
Good. Big job.
Analysis of the Queen of Blades search pattern complete. Calculating her ETA to the closest data core now.
You can't leave well enough alone, can you, Jim? It was stupid of you to come here.
I don't plan on staying long, darling. But I'll be damned before I let you get hold of those artifacts.
I'm giving you control of our medevacs, Commander. You can use them to transport your men around the city and avoid most of the Zerg.
Ready for dust-off.
Gonna give me orders?
Add-on complete.
The raiders are here! We're saved! SCV ready.
Talk to me.
Over here! Up on the roof!
Add-on complete. Add-on complete.
Confirmed. Where's the emergency?
Raiders! Raiders! Get us out of here!
Armed down.
Now what?
Additional supply depots required.
Waiting on you.
SCV ready.
Acknowledged. Ready for pickup? Let's go.
One down. Keep it moving, boys.
Of course. The Moebius data cores. You won't get the rest of them.
At least she doesn't know where to find the other cores. We better get to the next one fast.
Talk to me.
Who wants some?
Light flight's here. Picking up or dropping off?
Go ahead.
Brutalist. Stedman wanted one of those things to research. Reckon we can oblige him.
Sir, you better do something about that Nidus worm before our base gets overrun.
Go, go, go! Can't wait. SCV ready. You got all of it. Why not? Looking forward to it. Gateway coming through.
Ready for dust off.
You gonna give me orders?
Hey, hey, over here!
Can't wait. Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
Waiting on you. On my way. Loud and clear.
Let's see you drop by. I'm sort of low on ammo.
By the numbers, boy. This better be good.
Lay it on me. Roll it.
In the rear with the gear.
Go, go, go!
Talk to me. Waiting on you.
Who wants some?
Where's the emergency?
By the numbers, boy. This better be good.
Picking up or dropping off?
Go.
Shadow open.
Ready for pickup? Confirmed. Let's go. Heading out. Loud and clear. Ready for dust off. Well, hallelujah. Will do, Command.
You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready. This better be good.
Waiting on.
Been waiting on you.
Talk to me.
Hey, man! Could use some help down here!
On my way.
Assistance required.
Confirmed.
We couldn't reach the data cores. Help us out! Sure.
Talk to me.
By the numbers. I'm on it. Roger that. Gangway. Coming through. Outstanding. Huh? Yeah. We could use some help.
Additional supply depots required.
You're the boss.
Not enough energy.
Speak up. We could use some help here.
Acknowledged. Lifeline.
This better be good. That's fine. Who wants some?
I've seen through your Dr. Narude's pathetic charade. I know what the artifacts really are. And they will be mine.
Whatever they are, Kerrigan, I sure as hell ain't letting you have them.
That Queen of Blades really is quite a nuisance, isn't she? Acknowledged. Here's your stuff.
Armed and this better. By the numbers, boys.
Picking up or ready for pickup? Now what? Where's the emergency? Talk to me.
Speak up!
Mineral field.
Sir, another Nidus worm has emerged close to our base.
Yes, sir! Yeah. You're the boss.
You want a piece of me, boy?
You never could recognize a lost cause, could you, Jim?
On you.
That's fine. Armed and ready. Roger that. You got it. Affirmative. By the numbers. Ah! You scared me! Sure thing. You gonna give me orders?
Where?
What's our target?
Who wants some?
Confirmed.
Been waiting on you. Sure thing.
Talk to me. Ready for pickup? Understood. ETA 1 minute. Inbound. Acknowledged. Somebody, get me out of this mess. I heard that.
Bad news? Well, butter my biscuit. Yeah, whatever.
Now what? Loud and clear. Here's your stuff.
Huh?
Mineral field depleted.
You're even more desperate than I thought. You can't really believe this plan of yours has even a chance of working.
You gonna get...
What's that?
Been waiting on you.
Pick ready for pickup?
SCV ready.
Where's the emergency?
By the numbers, boys.
Just say
This better be good. Outstanding. Ready. SCV ready. Armed and... You gonna give me orders? Who wants some?
Talk to me. Confirmed.
SCV ready.
Base is under attack.
Can't wait. Go, go, go! Yes, sir. I feel Who wants some?
Understood. Now what? Louding? Picking up? Where's the emergency? Talk to me. Ready for pickup? I heard that. Well, hallelujah. Acknowledged. Will do, Command. Let's go.
Armed and ready. Oh, yeah. Got it. Stay well. Sure. By the numbers. Roger that. Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
Ready for pickup? Loud and clear. Let's go. In the pipe, 5x5. Well, hallelujah.
Armed and ready.
Talk to me. Acknowledged. Understood. On my way. ETA?
Hey, Raiders! Come pick us up! Hey, hey! Over here! The Raiders are here! We're saved! By the numbers, boys.
Mineral field depleted.
Life flight's here.
Been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? We could use some help here.
Mineral field depleted.
Don't leave me hanging! Let's have a blast!
Goliath online.
Additional supply depots required.
We hear ya.
Add-on complete.
This better be fueled up, ready to go. Who wants some?
Ready for pickup? Loud and clear. Well, hallelujah. Inbound.
Why not? Go, go, go! Been waiting on you.
Life flight's here. ETA 1 minute. On my way. Waiting on you. Heading out. In the pipe, 5x5.
You gonna give me orders? Yes, sir.
Well, hallelujah. I heard that. Will do, Command. Loud and clear. Let's go.
Marines! We are leaving! Been waiting on you. Got no patience for sitting around. This better be good. What's that? What's our target?
Where's the emergency? Heading out. Picking up, or now what? In the pipe, 5x5.
You gonna give me orders? Go, go, go! Affirmative. Sure. And more. Gangway. Coming. Outstanding.
Where's the emergency? Loud and clear.
Give us your... Go ahead.
Mineral field depleted.
Confirmed. I heard that.
You gonna give me orders? In the rear with...
Ready for pickup? On my way. Will do, Command. In the pipe, 5x5.
Arm, lay it on me. What's that? Yes, sir.
Base is under attack.
Why not? Go, go, go! Orders. Yes, sir. Sure. Can't wait. Orders. Outstanding.
Confirmed. The final data core has been destroyed. We should evacuate immediately.
Will do.
All right, Doctor. You want to tell me why the Queen of Blades wants these artifacts so damn bad?
She fears their power, just as she fears the Xel'Naga who created them. Xel'Naga created both the Protoss and the Zerg, Commander. They were the gods of their time.